Hi guys, welcome back to my bathroom. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me. I'm heading out to take my sister to dinner and I want to show you guys my quick makeup look. It's very simple, very easy, but it's my favorite. It's my go-to. I'm going to be using some of my favorite makeup products from 2023, and today really this video is dedicated to the Mob blurring powder. I just want to show you guys how amazing this powder is. I was gonna say obsessed, but I'm trying to stop saying the word obsessed because I'm not. Rarely am I obsessed with anything. Anyway, let's get into the video.
Hi guys, come get ready with me. I am taking my sister out for her Christmas gift. She requested that I take her to the sushi place that she loves so much, so I'm going to be taking her there. I'm going to be using all of my must-have makeup products. I feel like I've gotten my makeup routine down real good. I finally have it the way I like it. You know what I mean? I've gotten things under control. I always start off with my Youthforia primer. Obviously, like I do all my skincare prep, but before I put my makeup on, I always use the primer by Youthforia. It's a protector from just anything that I'm layering on my skin. It gives me such a glowy finish, and it keeps my makeup on all day, you guys. It's also highly recommended. The ingredients are pretty amazing, and I like it, and I think my skin also really likes it. I love using the Ritual to Feel Serum Foundation. It's very easy to blend in. I blend everything in with my hands and then I go over it with a brush. The blush that I'm using today is from Westman. And you guys, Westman blushes are very expensive. They're like $48. But I want to say for the quality that you get, it's a pretty good price. But I also believe that I've used better blushes for much cheaper prices. I think Westman is just one of those brands that's just like luxury. So it's an investment, some will say, but I don't know. I like how it looks, so we're gonna go with it. I love how it blends. I like how it sits on my skin, but I don't know the price. And then they're not refillable. Why are they not refillable? The packaging is so. Anyway, okay, listen, I'm getting off track. I put on a little bit of highlighter. This is also Westman. And then for my concealer, I used OYS concealer. But guys, this is the star of this video. This is the star of this video. This is the blurring powder by Mob Beauty. Guys, first I go in with layers. Okay, I build it up with my brush. And you can see my face just getting smoother and smoother and smoother. I had to kind of like play around with this powder to get it to my liking, but it sits so beautiful on the skin. They have it in 3 shades: translucent, medium, and deep. I have it in translucent, but next time I'm gonna get it in medium. Do you see that? Like, I'm not going to speak for a second so that you can really truly focus on how well it's setting my face. Look at that side versus the other side. Wait, bad editing. Why did I just crop it out so quick? Hold up now. I'm going over my face with my bronzer. The bronzer that I'm using today is also by Mob. It's their powder bronzer. I love Mob. Everything is refillable. The packaging is very sustainable and biodegradable. Now it's biodegradable, I believe. The brand in general is just sustainable, and I really like that. And the products perform really, really well. Probably the only thing I don't love by Mob is probably um, I actually love pretty much everything from Mob. I'm not a huge fan of the foundation. I think sometimes it can be oily, but I love the coverage and I like how glowy and healthy it makes my skin look. Okay, you guys, I'm getting out of. Hold up. Let's get back to this video. I'm putting on the RMS blush. This is my first time trying this shade of blush, but I actually have another blush. I've tried numerous things by RMS, and one of my favorite things from the brand is the blush, right? My favorite shade is Hanky Panky. I use it in almost everything. It's in my routine, but today I tried a different shade, and I was scared because it was a little too pink, but on my skin it was so beautiful. Um, and on the lip, I went with my usual like brown lip liner. This one today I used by Kyle Wise. It's in the shade Deep. I did Gen C Hyaluronic Acid gloss. just called Clean Sheen, and then the Westman blush in the center. For my mascara, I believe in this video I used Merit, which has been my favorite mascaras. Merit Beauty sent me a PR box, and it came in there, and I used their brows gel, which I also used in this video, but I did my brows off camera. But yeah, my two favorites this year, probably like the Gen C mascara Spectator and this Merit mascara. My sister also really likes the Gen C mascara. She says it makes her lashes like really voluptuous. Is that a word? It just adds volume. It's very volumizing. I'm stuttering. I can't even speak. And why is me doing my mascara such a long clip? Oh, you guys, I have been watching Dwight Bling, and while I was filming this video, I was watching Dwight Bling, which is why I was a little late getting ready. And then in the background, my sister is rushing me because we're late for our our reservation time. Is a mess, but here's me putting on a little bit of the Gen Z mascara just to kind of like get it how I like it. And then for my eyeliner, I used Julian Dempsey, and I love her eyeliners. To finish the whole thing off, I did spray my face with the PYT setting spray. Unfortunately, this brand is out of business, but I made sure to restock on everything that I loved from them. The eyeliners also from PYT. Look at the skin. Look at how blurred everything is. You guys, this powder is magical. And I think it's my favorite product of 2023.
Bye guys.